Converting dict to OrderedDict. I am having some trouble using the collections.ordereddict class. I am using Python 2.7 on Raspbian, the Debian distro for Raspberry Pi. I am trying to print two dictionaries in order for comparison, side by side, for a text adventure. The order is essential to compare accurately. No matter what I try, the dictionaries print in their usual unordered way. Here's what I get when I do it on my Pi. Obviously there is something not right because it is printing the function call and putting the keys and value groups into a nested list. This is what I got by running something similar on my PC. This time, it is in order, but it shouldn't be printing the other things though, right? The putting it into list and showing function call. Where am I making my error? It shouldn't be anything to do with the Pi version of Python because it is just the Linux version.
You are creating a dictionary first, then passing that dictionary to an OrderedDict. For Python versions is lower than 3.6, by the time you do that, the ordering is no longer going to be correct. Dict is inherently not ordered. Pass in a sequence of tuples instead. What you see when you print the OrderedDict is its representation, and it is entirely correct. OrderedDict price, 250, HP, 50, name, Albatross, blasters, 13, thrusters, 18, just shows you, in a reproducible representation, what the contents are of the OrderedDict. In the Python 3.6 implementation, the dict type was updated to use a more memory-efficient internal structure that has the happy side effect of preserving insertion order, and by extension the code shown in the question works without issues. As of Python 3.7, the Python language specification has been updated to require that all Python implementations must follow this behavior. See this other answer of mine for details and also why you'd still may want to use an OrderedDict for certain cases.
If you can't edit this part of code where your dict was defined, you can still order it at any point in any way you want, like this.
Most of the time we go for OrderedDict when we required a custom order, not a generic one like A, C, etc. Here is the proposed solution. This will be output. Note, the new sorted dictionaries maintain their sort order when entries are deleted. But when new keys are added, the keys are appended to the end and the sort is not maintained. Official doc.
You can create the OrderedDict from OrderedDict in one line. The default sorting key is by dictionary key, so the new ordered_dict is sorted by OrderedDict's keys.